Angelica root essential oil is derived from the root of the Angelica archangelica species. It has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and is believed to have a wide range of health benefits. Here are some of the potential health benefits of Angelica root essential oil. Number 1. Reduces anxiety and stress. Angelica root essential oil has calming properties that may help reduce anxiety and stress. In an animal study, it was effective at reducing the anxiety of mice. Number 2. Relieves pain and inflammation. The essential oil contains compounds that may help relieve pain and inflammation. It has been traditionally used to treat arthritis, joint pain and headaches. Number 3. Improves digestion. Angelica root essential oil is believed to help relieve nausea, indigestion, constipation and loss of appetite. Number 4. Enhances respiratory health. The essential oil is believed to help relieve many respiratory infections, such as the common cold, cough and bronchitis. Number 5. Supports healthy skin. Angelica root essential oil may help to rejuvenate and revitalize the skin. It may also help to relieve skin problems such as eczema and breakouts. You can add a few drops of essential oil to a diffuser or humidifier to fill the room with the scent of the oil. If you want to apply it to the skin, dilute it with a carrier oil such as coconut, jojoba, or olive oil. A general rule of thumb is to use 1 drop of essential oil per teaspoon of carrier oil. To be safe, always follow the instructions on the essential oil packaging. It is important to note that more research is needed to fully understand the potential health benefits of Angelica root essential oil. It should also be used with caution and under the guidance of a healthcare professional, as it may cause skin irritation or other side effects in some people.